Okay, when we came across these, I mentioned we're going to have to open up at least a pack. So 1996 ProMagnets football, magnetic football cards. We'll grab a pack right out of the middle of the box, maybe right there. Pack contains 5 NFL magnets, 1996 NFL Pro Magnets. A few of the possibilities right on there. Let's open up one of these. Magnetic football packs. We may have to get the scissors out. Magnetic football cards. We got Jeff George. Sam Mills. Herman Moore. Pretty thick cards. Marcus Allen. And Terrell Davis. And a redemption of some sort in the checklist. 1996 ProMagnets football cards.